It's all about unboxing. So this is exactly how the card looks like. It is attached to these papers. So hi there, I finally got my GTBank dollar MasterCard, and this is what the envelope looks like. My name is on it, and then the address 20th December. I think that was when I ordered for it, so the date was on it exactly, and it's coming from Lagos. I ordered this through my GT World mobile app. It was on a Tuesday. I went to the bank on Thursday. I didn't receive any notification. Okay, I just assumed that 3 days should be enough. I received it on Thursday or Friday, I think. No, it was on Friday. I can't even remember. Okay, so I got it a few days after. I didn't receive it the same day because things has really been like you need to request for card and come few days later. So I didn't receive any message. In case for those that are ordering for Naira MasterCard, I think they do receive message. I also ordered for Naira MasterCard, which I haven't received, and I think if I go to the bank tomorrow, which is going to be a working day, because today being December 27th is not a working day. So let me quickly open it. So at the back first, you're going to see this important notice: your card must be activated before first use. To activate, please change your PIN at any GTBank ATM nationwide. For further inquiry, kindly send a mail to cardservices@gtbank.com or contact any of the numbers stated below. The numbers are there. So you're going to see all that. For this scan, said get the GT World app, and I think someone can scan this. Probably that's the way it's going to be activated, but according to this, the card must be activated before use. So it's going to be activated. You change your PIN at the GTBank ATM card. So let me bring this out. Though I'm going to blur so many important information, and it's meant for me. So dear valued customer, blah blah blah, we are delighted to introduce you to the GTBank cardless contactless dollar debit MasterCard. It is an international payment card issued in partnership with MasterCard International. It is denominated in dollars but can also be used to settle purchase in other currencies around the world. You can perform low value transactions with just the tap of your card without using PIN or POS terminals enabled with contactless technology. Now you have a GTBank dollar debit MasterCard. What next? Kindly retrieve your PIN by performing a PIN selection on the ATM using the default PIN 4 zeros, or use the PIN retriever option under the card menu on internet banking to get your PIN. Okay, so I don't even need to go to the bank. You get that? So use the PIN retriever option under the cards menu on the internet banking to get your PIN. Alternatively, visit any bank GTBank branch to retrieve your PIN. So I'm going to use the internet banking to get a PIN. So that's another video. You can, second, your card must be activated before the first use. To activate your card, kindly follow any of the 3 options. Well, I'm going to do a video on that. So it's all about unboxing. So this is exactly how the card looks like. It is attached to this paper, so you have to remove it from the paper. So this is the card. I'm going to cover the number. It has the number there. It has the name. It has when the card, how long the card, duration of the card is going to expire, 12th year 2025. So that is how many years we are in: 2022, 23, 24, 25. 3 years card. Okay. Then usually it's going to have the usual number, okay, at the back, just the same thing. And if you notice, you just see that it's just the color is different. You have the USS dollar debit card. So that's what this is all about. You can read the other information on the paper when you get it, but this is exactly how everything looks like. Thanks for watching, and do give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well as share this video. Thanks for watching.